Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. I will record this time three videos related to central tendency measurements. That is statistics, descriptive, and I will record three videos and I expect you enjoy because in all of them I will explain what is the mean, mode, median, and range of a set of data, no grouped data, right? So let's begin with this video. I think you are going to understand many things today, right? So you're welcome. So the exercise says study the frequency table shows the ages of a group of children and the number of PF children. PF is like the frequency for each age. Using the data in the table, calculate the following: the mode, mean, median, and range. Okay, mean means like average. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to find the mode. What is mode? Mode is mode is the most repeated, is the most repeated number or like data. Okay, that is mode. Let me change this by this one. Okay, so if you see the number 2 is just once, the number 3 is repeated 4 times, the number 4 is repeated 7 times, and the number 5 is repeated 8 times. So what is the most repeated number? Is the number 5. Okay, so the answer for this one is the number 5. Okay, because the number 5 is 8 times. Okay, now I'm going to calculate the mean average. How do we calculate the average? It's very easy. We need to add all the numbers and then divide by the numbers that we have. Yes, so first we have to add the number, all the numbers. So how many number 2 do we have? We have 1. Yes. How many numbers 3 we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many number 4s we have? 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The number 4 is 7 times and the number 5 is 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the number 2 stays the same. How many numbers 3 we have? We have 4. So 3 times 4 is add up to 12. How many numbers 4 we have? So if we add all the numbers 4, we get. How many 5s do we have? 8. So if we add all the numbers 5, we're going to have 40. Guys, is to add the number 2 with the number 12, with the number 28, with the number 40. How much is 2 plus 12 plus 28 plus 40? So 2 plus 12 plus 28 plus 40 is equal to 82. So if we add, we get 82. Yes, 82. So I have to divide 82 by the numbers that we have here. So how many numbers do we have here? So we can do it manually or using a chart. So 82 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We can use a calculator to do that. So 82 divided by 20 equal to a decimal number, 4.1. Yes, so 4.1 is the average. This is 4. Okay, now I'm going to help you to calculate the median. Remember, a number or anything we're counting, the mean is the average of all the numbers, and then we divide by the numbers, the total of numbers we have. I'm going to calculate the median, right? The median, I will calculate the median. To calculate the median, so we need to organize. So I'm writing very bad. Organize. But we have to organize all the numbers. I'm going to explain how to do it, okay? First, I'm going to erase everything here. I need it to calculate the median. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. This is very, very easy. Okay, let's pay attention. We have to organize how many numbers. So we have 1. So I'm going to write it here. 1. How many number 3 do we have? 4. So 1, 2. We have to organize it from the least to the greatest. Okay? So 4 times is repeated the number 3. So here we have the number 3 repeated 4 times. Now we will focus in the number 4. The number 4, we have to write the number 4 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And the number 5 is repeated 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. What we're going to do is like I'm going to cancel. I'm going to one number by the time from the corner and from the right corner. 1 in the left, 1 in the right. So I will cancel 1 in the left, 1 in the right, 1 in the left, 1 in the right. Sorry, what mistake. 1 in the right, 1 in the left, 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 right, 1 in the left, 1 in the right, 1 in the left, 1 in the right, 1 in the left, and 1 in the right. When this happens to you, that you have 2 numbers here, as you see, we have 2 numbers, yes. What we have to do is a little average. So we are going to do the average between those 2 numbers. So we calculate the mean, so we have that 4 plus 4 divided by 2, and that is equal to 4. So that means the median in this case is the number. Okay. And finally, I'm going to calculate the range. The range is the easiest, like, tendency aspect to calculate, because the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number, okay? Which is the biggest number here? 5. 5 minus the smallest. Which is the smallest? The number 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the range in this case is the number 3. And that's all. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching Simple Math. I will record a second video about this for you to continue understanding what is mode, mean, median, and range. Remember, mode, the most repeated date, number or thing or aspect, that is mode. Then the mean, which is the average, we have to add all the numbers and then divide by the total of numbers we have. The median, to calculate the median, we organize all the numbers and we cancel 1 in the left, 1 in the right until we get the center. And the range, which is the biggest number minus the smallest. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching Simple Math and see you in the next video. Bye bye.